thank you again for this opportunity to AMOR, Davina, Stephanie, and all staff who's worked hard to put this project together. Thank you for picking Mendota. And not only Mendota is going to benefit from this, but all rural communities around, all the west side, and whoever wants to come and take advantage of this opportunity of our resources coming.
This is our donor wall. We just really wanted to honor those who have already committed to this project, and then going forward being able to highlight for the community members those that are supporting all the work that's going on out here.
I was present at the groundbreaking, had the honor of attending, and I have been waiting with such excitement for this opening day. The AMOR Wellness Center is an incredible addition for the city of Mendota and the area surrounding in the community, and I'm just so excited that the doors are open and that the services are going to be provided here in the community for everyone to be able to benefit.
You know, food security is one of the largest challenges out here. This is emergency relief. We'll have an online system for families. They can go right in. All they have to do is put their name and the number of people in the family, and they can come and pick up their food.
Congressman T.J. Cox, proudly representing California's 21st Congressional District, which the heart of it is in Mendota. And I'm just so excited to see the completion of the fantastic AMOR project. I first became so excited about this project back in 2015. 5 years ago. I had to look through my records to see the first time that I spoke to Davina, your executive director, about this. And back in 2015, I was all in.
I want to commend the supporters of the AMOR project that has resulted in this clinic being established in Mendota. Very, very important. And for the donors, for all of those who had a part of this effort, the Asimi family and others, I must say thank you. Thank you for your generous efforts to improve the quality of health care for the people in Mendota and the surrounding area.
We farm out here on the west side, and many of our employees come from here in Mendota, Fireball, from as far away as Three Rocks. And a lot of our employees are kind of underserved out here as far as health services. So we're glad to be able to have this here for them to have the services nearby, because a lot of them are reluctant to travel, like say all the way to Fresno. So this is great to have right here in the community.
The great thing about the AMOR Wellness Center is that it really is an opportunity to provide services for the entire family, for not only physical health issues, but mental health.
So we wanted the community members to be able to come in the front door and to nobody know which way they were turning. Were they going for medical or were they going for behavioral, right? So we tried to be very intentional about that. Then this is your shared waiting area for 2 different agencies. This is Tammy Freitas. She's the director for the All for Youth program that is operated by Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, funded by Behavioral Health.
So the services the County Office of Education will be providing out here is, how to raise healthy babies, how to interact with your children, to build confidence, to build resiliency, to build those very early literacy skills, very early math skills. And then when things happen and trauma happens in families, to be able to have mental health services for those children and a place to go to talk about those things.
Working with this project over the last year plus, I really had an opportunity to see how dedicated this entire team is, especially Davina, is to this project and to this wonderful community. The fact that they brought in so many community partners, the fact that they're opening up the space, allowing the community to use it, in various aspects, from all the way from healthcare to education partners, is remarkable.
This building will have lasting impression and impact families for many, many decades to come. And without the generosity and the hard work of all the aforementioned people, this dream is now reality. And this is one of those things that will change people's lives in the many, many years to come.
I have been a huge fan of AMOR, starting back in the old days when there were hospital services and health services offered in Afghanistan and elsewhere, and seeing it evolve from its philanthropic starting point overseas and now coming domestically and locally to our Mendota Center. My understanding is that this complex is going to be holistic. It's going to provide extraordinary services to a vast array of folks that are truly in need of this type of attention, whether it be on the health side, the mental health side, or the community side.
We had the privilege of being the construction lender for this project, which helped us formulate the construction and also develop the tenants and help provide access to medical services there in the west side.
We know there's obviously a need on the west side and specifically in Mendota. So just something that we thought would be a great opportunity for us to support a great partner that we've been working with for years already.
Then this is our large meeting room. So Central La Familia, this is AMOR's office here. Central La Familia will be out here. And then we have 8 empty spaces right now. EOC, Marjorie Mason, those type of agencies are also looking to commit to be out here as well. And of course, the intent is to have their employees out here 4, 5, 6 days a week. This is Crescent View West space. So this is the charter school I keep talking about. They have actually been operating out of the library out here for 6 years.
What an incredible project for AMOR, for Central California, and for Mendota to bring so much of the needed services that part of our Central Valley needs in terms of wellness for all of the residents in and around the area. From medical services to First 5, to job training, to parental skills. It's an honor really to be part of AMOR and see this project come to fruition and to open its doors and to help folks in the area and be part and parcel of the fabric of Central California and the city of Mendota. This is a model that AMOR is looking forward to duplicating all over the valley and eventually in other parts of the country.